Maximizing time, the power of let's not waste time. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of English language learning. Today, we're exploring a common English phrase, let's not waste time. This simple yet powerful statement carries a lot of weight in conversations, and understanding its nuances can greatly enhance your communication skills. So, let's dive in and uncover the essence of this phrase together. Let's not waste time is a phrase that urges efficiency and prompt action. It's often used in situations where time is of the essence, and there's a collective agreement needed to focus on the task at hand without delay. The phrase can be dissected into a few key components. Let's is a contraction of let us, which is a way of including both the speaker and the listener in the proposed action. Not introduces a negation, indicating that the action of wasting time should be avoided. Waste time refers to the act of using time unproductively or without purpose. Together, these components form a call to action that emphasizes the importance of valuing time and using it wisely. This phrase is incredibly versatile and can be used in various contexts, from informal gatherings to formal business meetings. Here are some scenarios where it might be appropriate. In work-related meetings, when discussions start to go off topic, a leader might say, let's not waste time, to steer the conversation back to the agenda. During group projects or study sessions, if team members start to lose focus, someone might use this phrase to remind the group of deadlines and priorities. In personal settings, if friends are debating over minor details of a plan, suggesting, let's not waste time, could help to make a decision more quickly. Using this phrase effectively involves not just saying it but also adopting a constructive tone. It's important to convey a sense of urgency without appearing rude or dismissive. While let's not waste time is a practical phrase, its reception can vary across different cultures. In cultures where directness is valued, this phrase might be appreciated for its straightforwardness. However, in contexts where indirect communication is the norm, it could come across as too blunt or commanding. To navigate these nuances, consider pairing the phrase with polite language or an explanation of why time efficiency is important in the situation. For example, saying, given our tight deadline, let's not waste time, softens the directness and provides context for the urgency. Understanding and using the phrase, let's not waste time, can significantly enhance your communication skills in English. It's a powerful reminder of the value of time and the importance of staying focused and efficient. Whether you're in a business meeting, working on a group project, or making plans with friends, this phrase can help convey the need for action and purpose. We hope this video has shed light on the depth and versatility of this common English expression. Thank you for joining us, and don't forget to make the most of your time, both in learning and in life.